In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your AirPods so they can't be tracked. This is great if you're trying to sell them or give them to somebody else. Okay, so I have AirPod Pro 4's. This is going to be slightly different depending on what version of AirPods you have. Now, if I just open my phone and the lid, you can see that my phone recognizes these AirPods as mine. So we're going to go ahead and factory reset it. Now, on some AirPods, if you have a button on the back, you need to go ahead and hold that button for 30 seconds and it's going to reset your AirPods. Now, if you have AirPod 4's like me, you need to open them and you're going to see this green light. Now, what you need to do is double tap, double tap, double tap, and then it's going to go to red. And then once it's red, it essentially means that it has been factory reset. Now it's going to start flashing white. And now if we open these again, my phone should recognize these as new AirPods. So there you go. So on the AirPod Pro 4's, you have to double tap, double tap, double tap 3 times, and that will reset your AirPods. So that's how you can do it. If you're on any other or older version of the AirPods with a button, you need to hold that button. That's how you do it.